She provides food for her family and portions for her servants. Proverbs 31, verse 15. Look at this. This is so adorable. It's early, the house is quiet, and I'm packing lunch for my husband. Vanilla yogurt with homemade granola and blueberries. Creamy, crunchy, just the right amount of sweet. A fresh fruit salad, mango, kiwis, strawberries, black grapes, and pomegranate for a little crunch. A crisp veggie salad, shaved Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, carrots, and cherry tomatoes with a light lemon tahini dressing. Finally, a mango and oat smoothie. Thick, creamy, naturally sweet, packed with care to fuel his day. It's now 6 a.m. The house is waking up and it's time for breakfast. Fresh orange slices, sweet, juicy, a little taste of sunshine. Turkey sausage, golden brown, sizzling, full of protein to keep them full. Creamy vanilla yogurt topped with homemade granola. Crunchy, nutty, just a hint of cinnamon. A handful of berries for that burst of color. And finally, some warm oatmeal muffins, soft, hearty, and baked fresh this morning. Simple, nourishing, and made with love. Hey, we're over at Hobby Lobby. I am so excited to see what Hobby Lobby has for spring. I haven't been there in a little bit since the Christmas season. I'm super excited. So this is a deal. Spring is one of my absolute favorite times of the year. Why? Because it is the new year. It is absolutely the new year. Everything starts to bloom and blossom. Everything becomes fresh and new. So spring is my favorite. We get out of this cold weather. I don't have to bundle up anymore. I can just smell the fresh breeze, smell the flowers. Yep, I am actually very, you guys can't see me. I am very happy, extremely happy to be able to do spring decor. Christmas was a little bit stressful, so I'm happy to start fresh. We got to check out all the new home decor that they're going to be having this spring so we can get our decorating on. We're going to run in and then we're going to try to go over to both Target and HomeGoods. I cannot wait to start decorating for spring because spring is like a new beginning, a rejuvenation. So we're just walking down the aisles and many aisles are very empty. There seems to be only Valentine's Day stuff in stock right now. I guess we're a little bit early, at least for our Hobby Lobby. I saw some yard decor right here and these are 40% off. These are cute, 40% off, and they're $22.99. So 40% off these, and then I did see some more. Here go the workout things because everybody's always trying to get worked out and fit for spring. And then they have some of these fans, these retro looking fans, or retro industrial, I don't know. Very few of these. They have all the kitchen items. Placemats. Now, I'm not an expert, but I think based on what I've been seeing, the spring dining trends for 2025 are all about color. Think warm corals, like crusty yellows, ocean blues, and it's very playful, as you can see, hand-painted ceramics and a mix of vintage and modern styles. Oh, look at these plates. These are cute. Look at these. They're cute. These are back. So it looks like these are going to be trendy again this year. The acrylic glasses and the lemonade jugs. We have some Easter items. Carrots. There are no lack of spring flowers, so they have the spring flowers. So pretty. I really want to learn how to arrange faux florals this year, even real florals. As I go through the process of learning, I'll definitely share what I learned with you guys. And recently, I learned to layer all your florals in odd numbers. This will allow your arrangement to have a more natural flow. These are gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
There's mini ones.
You see the mini ones?
Yeah.
Those are really pretty. Look at the sunflowers, 40% off. Let's see how much these are. Where are the prices? $35.99 and 40% off of these. These are pretty. We're gonna do everything vessels, of course, because the vessels often go on sale. They don't look like they're on sale, but they do have they don't have like a wide range sale. They have like a lot of prices that are just reduced. So like this one is reduced to $3.99. These little itty bitties. These are cute. If you want some vessels, definitely come and grab the little ones. This one is reduced a lot of $3.99. This is really nice rustic ones up here. These are good DIYers. $9.99 for this one, so that's reduced. I don't know. Okay, so the original was $39.99, so that's a really good deal. My Hobby Lobby has not stocked for the season yet, but we're going into HomeGoods. Somebody's gonna give us what we want, either HomeGoods or Target. So we'll see which one. What did I tell you guys? Spring is in the air in HomeGoods. This one is actually pretty nice. This one's nice. Look at that piece. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. This one. They also have it in green. Green is so springy. I love both colors, the white and the green. That is so classy. Such a classy piece. This is very cute. Look, this is the equivalent of what I got last year, but they're in perfect condition. I'm thinking about it. This is super unique. Look at this. Very interesting. Place face fillers in there. It's really cute. Oh, you guys have to see these baskets. Look at this. So cute. Look at this. This is cool. Sarah saw these. These are really nice. Topiary balls. How much are they, Sarah? They're $19.99. Really cute.
I already knew that one.
You knew that it was $19.99? This was the cutest little outdoor spring piece ever. These are all $5. They are so cute. All the pastel colors are definitely trending for spring this year. Look, we have even the pastel oranges, the green. I don't know. Is that like a pastel orange? I'm saying that. I might be making things up. But these are so cute.
Why did you tell you so last minute? Why did they have to make it like food?
Delish. They look so delicious.
No, the candle.
Look at this. Threshold has these woven boat baskets. They are somewhat scalloped. I want to say they're like scalloped. Those are so pretty. They are very nostalgic to like springtime. When I see baskets like this, I'm thinking like flowers being gathered from a perfect garden. Those are so pretty. Taper candles. Blush pinks. So I see this mauve color looks like quite the trend. I feel like it's been trending since Christmas, so we're seeing it again. These are so pretty in the matte black. So pretty. This is so adorable. This has a price tag of $70. It's super cute. One thing to keep in mind is that pastels are still very trendy for spring this year, but we're seeing a shift towards the earthier tones and shades. Think muted terracotta, soft olives, and warm oat tones. So these colors are creating more of like a warm atmosphere while still feeling very, very fresh. As I'm browsing and looking at these cute little pieces, I can't help but to think about Valentine's Day and how these pieces spell romance all over. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but I bought a very expensive grinding set on Amazon, and let me tell you, it's a disaster right now. So this is a steal at $12.99. If you are looking for candles, HomeGoods, Target is a definite win. So definitely check out their candles because they all smell so good.